Okay, let's see how the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver worked out. It did its job, but man, it made one heck of a mess. Yep. Time to put her on the buffing wheel. Well, let me get you set up there and get her going. Not bad. Really coming off. Like there's a deep gouge right here. If someone struck it with something. Yeah, it should be alright. Not bad at all. Not bad. Put some oil on it, keep it preserved, and keep it so that never does that again. But that looks good. Okay, let's clean the locking nut up now. That looks alright. That looks okay. See what the bearing cap looks like. This one's the worst, other than this one right here. Screw don't look bad. Look at that. It'll clean up nicely. That came out real nice. Okay, time to get all these caps done. Oh yeah, that's come off like butter. Okay, here we go. Got these all cleaned up. Let's see if I can take this off now. Alright. Here we go. Just gotta take this scale off here. So I'm just gonna buff this off. And this collar should come right off. Be able to take off this cover. Buff this while it's on here, might as well. Alright, let's put her in the vise and take her off. Yeah, she's coming. There we go. Clean this up. Let's go get these cleaned up. There we go. Cleaned up. There we go. Alright, check that out. That came out pretty nice. I'll say this, I was really surprised how well that came out. Alright, well, stay tuned next time when I get this pulled out there, and then I'll show you how to pack the bearings, and then I'll be setting up for sandblasting, so stay tuned for that. But that's all I got for this episode, everybody. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would, please. And don't forget to tap the notification bell. Watching the latest and greatest content on YouTube. Later.